With the next step, I've got all 4 of these screws in. Now you take your U-board, plug the speaker in, and you gently kind of tuck these back in here to get that clip right there, and you lay that just like that. Now this shield, this particular one that had your spacer here, so I had to drill a 3/8 hole for this capacitor over on the I-board, and then another hole to remount that. And when these came, they were on the wrong side of the board, so that can be confusing as well. So you lay that shield there. And you take your long spacers now. And screw those down here. If you get nimble fingers, it's easier. But when your fingers get older, it's not as easy. Probably hear my scanner going in the background. I didn't turn anything off. This is kind of an impromptu video. I'm not used to doing this. So once you have that, you fold this over, line up your pins. Make sure your wires are out of the way. You also need to look down in here and make sure those capacitors go down in that hole on that shield. All right, now you take your 4 small screws. And wish your screwdriver was magnetic when it's not. Oh, I'll be back.